Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the Quickbooks app not working. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store on your device and search for Quickbooks. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. If an update is available, install it and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem persists, open the Settings application on your device. Tap on General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the Quickbooks application, then tap on it. Next, select the Offload App option. This will remove the app while keeping its data intact. After offloading, reinstall the app and check if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, try deleting and reinstalling the app completely. To do this, go to your home screen, tap and hold on the Quickbooks app, then select Remove App. Confirm by tapping Delete App. Once deleted, open the App Store. Search for Quickbooks and reinstall the app. Wait for the download to complete, then launch the app and check if it is working properly. So, that's basically how you can fix the Quickbooks app not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.